Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt amazed, not because of the furniture or the wall color, but because of the beautiful curtains flowing by the window? Curtains have a quiet kind of power. They can completely change the way a room feels, adding elegance, warmth, and that touch of luxury we all love. But here's the thing, choosing the right luxury curtains isn't just about picking a fancy fabric. It's about creating a mood, a personality, and a style that speaks to you. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a big modern home, the right window treatment can make your space look like it's straight out of a design magazine. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of luxury curtains, how to choose the perfect fabric, color, and design that fits your home perfectly. We'll talk about the latest curtain trends, how to layer them like a pro, and how even simple details like the right curtain rod can make your windows look expensive and stylish. So if your windows are looking a little plain or your old curtains don't match your vibe anymore, stay tuned. Because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and ideas you need to give your windows a total luxury makeover. Get ready to make your home look elegant, cozy, and effortlessly beautiful, all through the power of perfect curtains. Why luxury curtains matter. When you think about decorating your home, curtains might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but they actually play one of the most important roles in how your space feels. Curtains are not just pieces of fabric that block sunlight. They are the frame of your room's story. Imagine your walls, furniture, and decor as the artwork, and your curtains as the frame that completes the picture. Luxury curtains instantly bring class and warmth to any space. They make your room feel more inviting, more polished, and more balanced. The texture of the fabric, the way light filters through, and even the way they move with the breeze. All these small details create a mood that simple blinds or cheap drapes just can't match. They also help with comfort, providing privacy when you need it, reducing outside noise, and even keeping your home cooler or warmer depending on the season. So when you invest in luxury curtains, you're not just improving your decor, you're improving your lifestyle. They bring elegance, function, and a sense of calm that turns any ordinary space into a true home. Choosing the right fabric. Now that we understand why curtains matter so much, let's talk about the most important step, choosing the right fabric. The fabric you choose decides how your curtains will look, feel, and even how they'll move. If you want something royal and dramatic, velvet is your best friend. It's thick, smooth, and gives your room that luxurious hotel look. For a more natural and relaxed vibe, linen is perfect. It's light, airy, and looks beautiful in sunlight. If you love elegance and shine, go for silk. It adds richness and depth to your interiors, though it needs more care. And if you want something bold and textured, brocade fabrics bring patterns and depth that make a big statement. Here's a pro tip. You can also layer fabrics for a more customized, high-end look. For example, pair sheer curtains for softness with blackout drapes for privacy. It not only makes your windows look fuller but also gives you control over light and mood. When you touch the fabric, ask yourself, does it feel like you? That's the secret to finding the perfect curtain material. Color and pattern secrets. The color of your curtains can completely change the energy of your space. It's one of the easiest yet most powerful design choices you can make. If you have a small room or one that doesn't get much sunlight, go for light colors like cream, beige, pastel pink, or soft gray. These shades reflect light, making your room feel bigger and brighter. For a more luxurious and cozy look, dark colors like navy blue, emerald green, charcoal, or deep maroon add depth and richness. When it comes to patterns, they can make your curtains the star of the show. Floral patterns add softness and romance. Geometric designs give a modern and stylish touch. Stripes can make your ceilings look higher, which is a great trick for small spaces. The key is to balance your curtain color with your overall decor. Don't just match the walls, think about your furniture, your rug, and your lighting. For instance, if your room has neutral tones, add bold colored curtains for contrast. But if your room already has a lot of color, go for soft, elegant shades that calm the space. And here's a quick trend tip. Earthy tones like taupe, sand, olive, and champagne gold are very popular right now. They bring warmth, comfort, and luxury all at once. Curtain styles to know. Once you've chosen your fabric and color, the next big step is picking the right style. Because how your curtains hang can change everything about how your room looks and feels. Let's start with pleated curtains. These are the classic ones you'll often see in elegant living rooms and hotels. They look neat, formal, and give your windows a structured look. If you want a more modern and easygoing style, eyelet curtains are perfect. They have metal rings at the top, which makes them super easy to slide open and close, and they give a clean, contemporary vibe. For something romantic and airy, go for sheer curtains. They let natural light flow through softly, making your space feel fresh and peaceful. You can even layer them with heavier drapes for that designer look. And if you love technology and convenience, motorized curtains are the ultimate luxury. With just one click on a remote or an app, you can open or close them, perfect for large windows or smart homes. The key is to choose a style that matches your lifestyle. Whether it's simple, royal, or tech-savvy, your curtain style should reflect the mood of your home. Length and fit matters. Even the most beautiful fabric won't look good if your curtain length is wrong. This is where many people make mistakes, and it's often the reason why a room doesn't look finished. To make your room feel taller and grander, always hang your curtains a few inches above the window frame, even close to the ceiling if you can. This creates an illusion of height and makes your windows appear larger. When it comes to the length, let your curtains just touch the floor or even puddle slightly for that luxurious look. Avoid curtains that stop too short. They can make your room feel smaller and less elegant. Also, pay attention to the width. Your curtains should be at least twice the width of your windows so they look full and rich, not flat or tight. These little adjustments make a huge difference, turning an average setup into something straight out of a home decor magazine. Accessories that add charm. Luxury is often in the details, and the same goes for curtains. The right accessories can take your window treatment from simple to stunning. Start with curtain rods. Instead of plain plastic or wooden ones, try metallic or gold finish rods for a polished look. Then add tiebacks or tassels. These small touches give your curtains a sophisticated and graceful shape when pulled to the side. You can also use decorative rings, clips, and hooks for a touch of creativity. Some people even add crystal or pearl accents for sparkle and elegance. If you want to go all out, add valances or pelmets at the top. They hide the curtain hardware and give a grand, hotel-style finish. Remember, accessories are like jewelry for your curtains, small things that create a big impact. Lighting and mood. Curtains aren't just about looks, they also control light and atmosphere. The right curtain setup can completely change how a room feels throughout the day. If you want your space to feel soft and bright, use sheer curtains. They let sunlight filter through gently, creating a calm and cheerful environment. Perfect for living rooms or breakfast areas where you want that morning glow. For bedrooms or media rooms, blackout curtains are your best friend. They block sunlight completely, helping you sleep better and stay cozy. You can even layer them with sheer curtains so you have the best of both worlds. Light during the day, privacy at night. Lighting is the secret ingredient of luxury. When sunlight moves through quality fabric, it brings your whole room to life, highlighting the textures, colors, and patterns in beautiful ways. So when you think about window treatments, don't just think about color or design. Think about the mood you want your space to have, bright and open, or warm and intimate. The right curtains can create that feeling every single day. Maintenance and care. Luxury curtains can completely transform your space, but to keep them looking beautiful, they need a little love and care. Think of them like any other part of your home decor. The more attention you give, the longer they'll stay fresh and stylish. Start with regular cleaning. Dust tends to settle on curtains over time, especially near windows. You don't need to wash them every week. Just use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment once or twice a month, or gently shake them out to remove dust. For deep cleaning, most luxury fabrics like velvet, silk, or linen need dry cleaning instead of machine washing. Always check the label before washing to avoid shrinking or damaging the material. If your curtains wrinkle easily, use a handheld steamer. It keeps them smooth without harsh ironing. And when sunlight hits the same spot every day, try rotating or adjusting your curtains occasionally to prevent fading. Also, remember to take care of the hardware. Clean the rods, rings, and tie backs so they stay shiny and dust-free. These small steps will keep your curtains looking like new and maintain that fresh, elegant look you fell in love with. Taking care of your curtains isn't just about cleaning, it's about preserving the comfort and luxury they bring into your home. And there you have it, everything you need to know about finding the perfect luxury curtains for your home. From choosing the right fabric and color to picking styles, accessories, and caring for them, each small decision adds up to create a space that feels elegant, cozy, and truly yours. Remember, your curtains are not just a background detail, they're a reflection of your taste and personality. Whether you love rich velvet, soft linen, or sleek modern designs, the right curtains can completely change the way you experience your home. So, if your windows are ready for a transformation, start today. Look around your room, imagine the colors, the mood, and the light you want, and let your new curtains bring that dream to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves home decor as much as you do. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite curtain style? Are you team sheer and soft, or team bold and dramatic? For more inspiration, ideas, and professional home decor services, visit fixitdesign.ae, your go-to destination for luxury curtains, flooring, and interior solutions. Because when it comes to creating a beautiful home, every detail matters, especially your curtains.